So it's coming up to winter, and that brings like a new set of challenges, and one of those is the wind. So here's a few ways that you can like increase your success rate and get better photos. So why does the sun always come out when you start these things? But the first thing is get a sturdy tripod. Ideally, you want one that you can open the legs out wide, because the wider your base is, the sturdier the tripod is going to be. You can get tripods where you can hang a weight from this center column, and that makes the tripod even sturdier. And another thing that I like to do, so say the wind is coming from this side, I tend to put the camera on the tripod and say I'm taking a picture that way. What I would do is I'd put my back to the wind and then try and block out as much of the wind as possible. If you're organised, you could bring an umbrella, but I don't think it's that practical to carry an umbrella a lot of the time. When I do that, I either use a 2-second timer, press it, puff myself up, block the wind and get the shot, or I use a trigger release and take a series of images and hope that like one of them works. It's a bit of a game of compromises, but you just got to be a bit stubborn and stick at it. If you're not using a tripod, you basically want to take the same principle. So take these two legs, that is now your elbows, and you're going to want to stick your elbows into your body and tuck yourself right in, and you sort of tense your back and just lock it. And then the third point of contact is going to be your forehead on the eyepiece. So you lock it in, squeeze your arms, tense your biceps and squeeze it into your forehead, and it's like a tripod where you got the 3 points of contact, but you're just using your hands. Now when I do this, like I was saying with the trigger release before, I might put it onto a series of images. I found that when you do the series, the second or third picture is probably going to be the most successful one. And I'd try and start with the shutter speed that you want to use. So say you want to use 1/50th of a second, I'd try that, but you might actually need to increase your ISO sometimes to get a slightly faster shutter speed. But it's basically starting with what you want and finding the compromise that fits for your needs. I always want to get everything in focus, so the aperture is the most important for me, and then the shutter speed is whatever I can get away with. But those are the main techniques that I use. Number 1, tripod. Number 2, locking your arms in. And number 3 is a bit of luck. But I hope you found that helpful. Just a quick little guide, and fingers crossed it's worked to get me photos of this view here. Bloody hell. That almost wiped me out.